guys. Okay, mag-guess ta sa gifts ha. What is your guess sa inyong gifts? Si Yan first.
Mine is a truck and a big lake. I don't know what's the other one. The
Okay.
second one and also the
You don't know? Okay, Yana
I
next.
only know two.
You only know two. Ikaw Yana, what's
I am playing dolphin upstairs to just like nothing to have at dollhouse.
dollhouse? You have a dollhouse too? Your gifts? Okay, are you ready to open your gifts na? Okay. Let's go. Get your gifts. Go. Okay.
I want to start on this one too heavy, that's why.
Okay, open na the gifts. Where's your other gifts yan? Get your other gifts. Ay, ang other gifts na. No. Awan ang other gifts niya na. Ito, ibalik mo na. Wala to. Tawag ka to sa iso na.
Bro. Tago lang part ka bakit mawala. Ikuan sa nakin. Kaya guys, di ko pa ron. Kuma na lang tabangan ang natin ron. What? Happy birthday. Jadi kotak bisa Jake. Ayo udah kan tago berarti mau hala yang berarti dulu pernah aku.
Mana yung mga gifts yan?
Oh, balik ang ya ako lang na siguro ma. You can borrow that one. Ikuan na sige, naman ay manual. Ito pag symbol. Ikuan kay pag. Go. Oh, yun na yung Sean. Yun na, Sean. What's that you see yan? Show it everyone. Show. That's from Ate Nyaka. Take it to Nyaka. Thank you. Show it everyone. Oh, for bedtime story. Sige, open na ang gift. Yan. Are you happy? Hey, bro. Bro.
Happy na lang siya, babe. Ako na nabunin ko ba?